Hey, welcome to Gully Wobbles. Today we're in a unicorn fort for 24 hours. We have these really cute and soft unicorn pillows and JoJo Siwa pillows. This one's comfy. And a neck pillow. It's really nice. And this is all meant to be unicorns and mermaids. It's really nice. So we are gonna do a lot of stuff tonight.
What kind of stuff do you plan on doing?
Coloring, and then like talking, playing games. Oh, we brought like something to color on.
Zenny, what are you doing for the camera?
Zenny, talk to the camera. Hey.
Nobody wants to see your mermaid booty.
There we go.
All right, so let's get this challenge going. What do you say, girls?
Let's get to the challenge. Woo! I got a unicorn on my back too. Will you see you guys there?